Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys a few super cute sarees that I got from Meesho. They are all under 600 rupees, so they are very cheap. These are sarees for the girls who are not very much into wearing sarees but just want to wear a saree for one day a year. So if you are someone who loves wearing sarees on Ashtami, I got you covered, girl. These sarees are not that bad of a quality that you can only wear them once, but these are sarees where you're not spending a lot of money, so I guess you're only gonna be wearing it for like a few days in your life, because if you're gonna wear a sari regularly, you're gonna probably be looking for something that's way more comfortable and that's gonna cost you a little more. These are sarees that are perfect for the festive season, and some of them are perfect for the daily wear. So you can wear them for daily wear if you are comfortable with clothing like that, but that is up to you. So if that is something that interests you, let's get into the video without wasting any further time.
Starting off with this super cute heart printed sari. This is a chiffon sari, and chiffon saris look quite good on my body type. I love its color. It is a bit different from the picture that was shown, but it's pretty cute nonetheless. On the picture it was more red. In reality it has a little bit of an orange tint to it, and it has tiny hearts printed all over it. It also comes with a little blouse piece, a white chiffon clothing. The quality is really good at the price range. The price is really very low. The material of the clothing is pretty soft as well. It's not itchy at all, and the sari is quite long. It's not see-through or anything. It has a white border in all of its four sides. It's a very cute sari that you can wear on a regular basis for daily wear, or you can style it with prettier jewelry for special occasions. Next up is the tissue silk sari. I'm sure you guys have seen tissue silk saris going around for a year now. I absolutely love this gold one. It looks so luxurious even though it's so very cheap. The material does not feel very cheap when you touch it on your skin, but it does not feel very luxurious either. But from afar it looks very expensive. The sari is quite long as well. I absolutely love the embroidery it has. The thread work is entirely on gold, but yet it has a little bit of a difference which looks amazing. This is a sari that is perfect for the festive season. You can style it with all of your gold tone jewelry. I love the thread work it has at the end of the pallu as well. Or you can just skip the jewelry altogether. The sari on itself is so festive. You don't really need jewelry. At the price, it's a really good sari. Next up is this beautiful yellow floral printed chiffon sari. I absolutely love the color and the prints in this one. The light butter yellow color is one of my favorite colors, and I also love the yellow floral prints in it. This is one sari that you can style for daily wear purposes as well as festive wear. You can just wear bigger jewelry, more fancier jewelry for festive wear, and smaller ones for daily wear, and you can elevate the look like that. The quality of the material is quite good as well. It's very soft and smooth on the skin, not itchy at all. The sari is quite long as well, but I'm not really great at wearing saris. I'll probably get better soon. This sari is really good at the price range. Next up is this beautiful Banarasi sari. It's not really a Banarasi sari, but it's a dupe like that. It does not feel the same when you touch it like a Banarasi sari, but it looks pretty much the same from afar. For the price, it is good. Obviously, we all know how expensive actual Banarasi saris are. I absolutely love this deep violet color. It looks so good on me. It makes me want to get a few kurti sets in this color. Love the embroidery it has on it. It looks very traditional Indian, very beautiful. The sari is going to be perfect for a newlywed bride or literally anyone for a festive season or a party wear look. The material is quite good at the price. It's not the softest, but it's not itchy either. This is not a sari for daily wear look. It's mostly a festive wear sari, but at the price it's quite good. Last but not the least is another chiffon sari. I might have worn this sari the wrong way. Maybe the flowers were supposed to be on the bottom part of the sari, but nonetheless, it's a really good sari. I absolutely love the prints and the color combo. The pink and the beige goes so well together. The quality of the sari is really good as well at the price. It's very comfortable on the skin, not itchy at all. It's very flowy. The length is quite good as well. Another sari that you can style up and down and wear it for daily wear purposes or for festive wear according to how you accessorize it. It does not lose color on washing it either. So at the price, it's a really good sari.
So guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it and benefited from it. If you enjoyed the video, do let me know, comment down below. Also, if you have any other video suggestion or request, comment that down below. And I will see you guys in my next. Till then, take care. Bye bye.